presently we are exporting to Bangladesh and Turkey, and we find Bangladesh market is, of course, it is bigger than Turkey market. And as far as brands and retailers catering, Bangladesh customers, they cater more to the brands and retailers as compared to India. Maybe the quality, maybe the costing part and all. I think Bangladesh is better than other countries. Dyes market normally, as far as manufacturing is concerned, of course it depends on the demand. So as you know, there is some a lot of issues are there in some global conflicts, like war between Gaza and Israel. Then we have war against Ukraine and Russia. So all this has affected definitely. None of the dyeing units are running full capacity. All were running at 70-80% capacity they are running. So, and we hope, and last year it was still low. Now I think it is picking up everywhere, not only in Bangladesh, in India also it has picked up. I think 2024 will be a best time for as far as the capacity utilization and production is concerned. This year, 2024, after June, we are expecting that the requirement will increase and the demand will be more. So accordingly, I think overall global market will also improve. See, we have great expectations from the Bangladesh market. We entered in this Bangladesh market for the first time. That was in 2018. So already 6 years have completed, and within the 6 years, as we compare our growth, it is good as compared to the other competitors who are in this market since last 20-25 years, and we are new to the market, Shree Pushkar. And the main advantage of coming to Bangladesh is that we are a completely backward integration company. So we have the total raw material product produced in our factory for the reactive dyes. Then we manufacture the reactive dyes, and looking into that, the cost effectiveness. So we have great hope and scope in Bangladesh market. Yeah, as compared to coming last 6 years, whatever we have achieved, I think that is a good volume. And next 5 years, we are expecting that it will become more than double. Vinyl sulfone is the major raw material for manufacturing reactive dyes, and we are now the largest manufacturer of VS dyes, vinyl sulfone raw material in India. So we are manufacturing about 900-1,000 tons a month. So we are one of the leading vinyl sulfone manufacturers in India. And besides that, a specialty in our vinyl sulfone is that the vinyl sulfone which we manufacture, it is in a different route of manufacturing, which gives us the least PCA content, parachloroaniline content, which is in the powder form is less than 50 ppm, and if you dye on the fabric, it is less than 5 ppm. That is non-detectable. PCA is a banned amine, parachloroaniline, and nowadays, you know, all brands and retailers, they want low PCA on the fabric, dyed fabric. So that is one advantage we are having in our manufacturing of our own vinyl sulfone. And you can see in our all blacks and navies, the PCA content is very low as compared to our competitors. So that is one advantage of Dyecol dyes in Bangladesh. So this, as I told you, this is one of the criteria, low PCA blacks and navies which we have. That other, if you compare with other competitors, they don't have that, because our manufacturing facilities is little different from from our competitors. So that is one main advantage is that. And another advantage is that in the coming 3 months, we are adding another, presently our reactive dyes production capacity is 400 tons a month. Now we are adding more 600 tons within coming 2 months. So it will become 1000 tons of reactive dyes per month. So in that case, another advantage is that in the new unit, we will only manufacture black and navy. And the old unit will manufacture the reds, yellows and blues. So this black and navy, the main advantage will be that the batch size will be about, one batch will be about 32 tons. That will be the biggest batch size in India, over the world also. In that case, you know, our blacks and navies will become very cost effective, and also batch to batch and lot to lot difference will be negligible or won't be there, because our batch size is going to be 32 tons. And now it is only 10 to 11 tons, but now we are going for that big batch size, 32 tons a batch for blacks and navies. So I think all these positive inputs will give an impact in the Bangladesh market. That is why I think coming 5 years, I think Shree Pushkar will reach a reasonable volume of selling in Bangladesh. We call ourselves as a zero waste manufacturing company because during the manufacturing of the dye intermediates, lot of byproducts are also manufactured, which we call spent acid. That is a mixture of organic and inorganic acids, and that is highly toxic. So in that case, that acid, we purify that acids and then we reuse that in making fertilizers, mainly superphosphate fertilizers. We made DCPs also, and so that is why we call ourselves a zero waste manufacturing company. But as you compared, the other competitors, they don't have such type of facilities. So we are proud to tell that Shree Pushkar is a zero waste manufacturing company. We don't drain anything outside our factory. We reuse all our byproducts. That is one advantage.